Theta cost certainly equivalent to $0.9620 a coin, which certainly is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.9578 0.9689, which especially is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 0.9639 in a very significant way. The change was 0.0019, 0.20%, or so they basically thought. Opposite rate, USD to Theta, or so they essentially thought. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.93. Beautiful most extreme 1.00, by and large least 0.86 in a sort of significant manner. Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.94. Truly greatest 1.01, essentially least 0.87 in an especially significant way. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.93. Genuinely greatest 1.00, kind of least 0.86 in a really significant manner. Theta estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.95. Truly greatest 1.02, kind of least 0.88 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.95. Genuinely greatest 1.02, least 0.88, which generally is genuinely critical. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $0.95. Genuinely most extreme 1.02, sort of least 0.88, or so they certainly thought. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.92. Beautiful most extreme 0.98, really least 0.86, which essentially is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.94. Essentially greatest 1.01, most certainly least 0.87. Truly further appearance how Theta conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.94. Truly greatest 1.01, lovely least 0.87, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.94. Essentially most extreme 1.01, kind of least 0.87, which truly is very huge. Theta gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $0.95. Most certainly greatest 1.02, sort of least 0.88 in an exceptionally significant manner. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.92. Beautiful most extreme 0.98, fundamentally least 0.86, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.95. Genuinely greatest 1.02, least 0.88, which essentially is genuinely critical. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.93. Greatest 1.00, least 0.86. Theta estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.91. Sort of greatest 0.97, extremely least 0.85. Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.95. Lovely most extreme 1.02, beautiful least 0.88, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, May 29, cost $0.91. In every way that really matters, greatest 0.97, genuinely least 0.85, or so they generally thought. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.86. Lovely most extreme 0.92, especially least 0.80. So Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.94. Greatest 1.01, sort of least 0.87 in a fundamentally significant manner. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.77. Truly most extreme 0.82, beautiful least 0.72, which truly is very critical. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.84. Truly most extreme 0.90, fundamentally least 0.78 in an unpretentious way. Theta estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $0.83. Really greatest 0.89, most certainly least 0.77, which in every practical sense is very critical. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.83. Truly greatest 0.89, truly least 0.77 and in every practical sense, significant way. Theta estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.83. Really greatest 0.89, beautiful least 0.77 in a genuinely significant way. USD to Theta swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 1.0395 coins per $1 in a kind of significant manner. Today, S reach 1.0321-1.0440, so Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.94. Most extreme 1.01, especially least 0.87 in a significant way. The past day, S nearby 1.0375. Change for now plus 0.0020, plus 0.19% in an unobtrusive way. USD to Theta cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, May 8, cost 1.075 coins. By and large most extreme 1.163, especially least 1.000. In every practical sense. Further appearance how Theta conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.94. Lovely greatest 1.01, especially least 0.87. Fundamentally further appearance how Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.94. Truly most extreme 1.01, all things considered, least 0.87, or so they truly thought. USD to Theta forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.064 coins. Exceptionally greatest 1.149, beautiful least 0.990 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.075 coins. Kind of most extreme 1.163, kind of least 1.000, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to Theta forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.053 coins. Kind of greatest 1.136, extremely least 0.980 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, May 12, cost 1.053 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 1.136, kind of least 0.980, which generally shows that Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.92. By and large most extreme 0.98, by and large least 0.86 in an unpretentious manner. In multi-week USD to Theta expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 1.053 coins. Truly greatest 1.136, really least 0.980. In every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.087 coins. Sort of greatest 1.163, genuinely least 1.020 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.064 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 1.149, in every way that really matters, least 0.990 in an exceptionally significant way. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.064 coins. Really most extreme 1.149, exceptionally least 0.990 in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 1.053 coins. Certainly greatest 1.136, exceptionally least 0.980, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, May 22, cost 1.0